So, great. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is another Stitch Fix day. I'm getting a lot of these, it seems like, because I've got the style pass, and so when I open one box and I send it back, they ask if I'm ready for another one, and I don't have to pay the $20 styling fee, so here I am with another one. And this one, well, first of all, I've already done this one time and I'm having technical difficulties with my camera, so hopefully I can make it through this, but I've already opened this, obviously, and I have seen what I have, but let me start over again and show y'all. So, great. Hang on one second. The first thing I have are the Fia Bermuda shorts by Tribal, and I have really good luck with Tribal pants. I really like them. They've got the stretch, they're pull-on. These are really cute. This is a pretty color, but we will just have to see. These are a little bit longer Bermudas. Next is the Lola mixed material blouse by Fortune and Ivy. Gosh. This is cute. It has the zipper front. It's got two fake pockets. See the silver, and then the pattern on it, or they kind of look like, I'm not sure what they are, but they kind of look like little locks. There's that on that side, and then just the solid on the back. I'm getting a lot of navy things, but alrighty. Next we have this is the North Face Aphrodite 2.0 Capri. I've gotten these before, exact ones, but in an olive. They're kind of the parachute material with the drawstring drawstring stretch waist. So there's that. Next we have the Susanna Short Bermuda by Lila Ryan in gray. And these are cute. These are shorter than the Tribal, which may work better for me. The longer Bermudas on me are just awkward. I'm not really happy with myself in shorts anyway, but those just the longer ones don't work. But this feels really good. It's got, oops, so sorry y'all. Like I say, I've already done this once. Got the zipper in the front, and it does have pockets on both sides in the front, and then it's got faux pockets in the back. So this is cute. This is the Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve Tee by Market and Spruce, and it's cute. It's just a tee with a little bit more going on. It's got kind of a cheetah kind of print in the burgundy and kind of lighter burgundy. It does have the pocket in the front, and then it's got the kind of that neckline. But feels really good. It's very soft. But that is my bundle. Let me go try them on and we will see what we think. I will be right back. Okay, we will start with this top. This is the Fortune and Ivy Lola mixed material blouse, navy, size small, $38. Not bad. See the little, I don't know what those are, but it's got the working zipper. There's the length. And the back is different. And then These shorts are the Lila Ryan Susanna Short Bermuda Light Gray size 6. So they have up to my size for me, which is a necessity these days. But I think these are cute. They're super comfortable. They're not too tight. I like the length. They've got the 2 pockets in the front, and then they've got the clasp and then a zipper. But I like them. They are, did I tell you, $68. So here's outfit number 1. I will be back with the next item. All right, we will start with the North Face Aphrodite 2.0 Capri in dark gray size small. I should have gotten a medium because they're tight, and I'm not going to turn around. But I've got these pockets. It's really comfortable. It really is. It has the stretch drawstring waist. But I need another. I need to go up a size in these. And then the top is the Market & Spruce Elaine pocket short sleeve top in burgundy size small, $28. That is not bad at all. And this is just a tee. It feels nice. It's got the pocket. It's got the animal print. I will say this about this box. There's not a lot of styling going on. They shopped for me, but they didn't really style me because the Bermudas that I just took off, those of course will go with anything. But and this would be cute with those Bermudas as well. But there was not really an outfit per se in this box. So, and that's okay. But anyway, let me show you. I think I've got the other shorts, and they're a 4. So, and the other ones that I liked are a 6. So I'll be back with those. Okay, last are these Fia Bermudas by Tribal, blue size small, $46. I like Tribal. Tribal does really well for me. I don't like these. I like the looser fit of the other ones. I like the shorter length. I think these hit me at a weird kind of spot. And they're pretty tight. Again, I'm not going to turn around. But anyway, and then this is just the top. This is my top that I got out of, I think, my last Wannable box that I kept with some joggers. So let me give you the bottom line here. I did tell you these were, yes I did, $46. Okay. The Stylist Pick subtotal, $230 less the 25% if I kept all 5, which of course is not going to happen. That would be $57.50, and that would leave the subtotal minus tax at $172.50. So, I mean, this was an okay box. Hold on. Again, it was an okay box, not a styled box, but I probably will keep these Bermudas because I liked them. This is cute. It's in the $28. The price is right. This is, I mean, it's not just a jump up and down top, but it's one that I could wear with jeans or shorts or whatever. I may keep these, definitely this, and then not these shorts that I have on, and not this, definitely not these. So that is it. That was a quick box. That is it for this Stitch Fix. I will probably have another one very soon. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye-bye.